Today's game is a fun getting to know you game with a twist for sports lovers. We picked up these sets of 4 balls. You can use anything really though, where 3 of them are easy to stack and 1 of them is a little bit different shape and a little bit harder to stack. And we're going to do multiple rounds of asking questions about the other person. If you get the answer right, you get to choose which ball you want, which you're probably going to choose one of the easier ones to stack. If you get it wrong, you have to go with the unusually shaped one, so in this case our football, and try and use that in your stacking block. The first person to get 3 successful balls stacked on top of each other is the winner. If though they fall, you start all over again, and again you'd be able to choose from the correct answers or the incorrect answers and go from there. So you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna write, what is your favorite color? So don't let the other person see.
Skies.
Yep, I think his is a little bit easy to tell, even based on what color shirt he's wearing. All right, so I think his favorite color is green. Hold up your answer, am I right? It's green.
I could have chose my second favorite color.
But the point is to choose your favorite. All right, so I'm gonna start with the basketball. What color do you think my favorite color is?
I think it's...
I'm not wearing
red.
This color. Nope.
Pink?
Nope.
Wait. Oh my gosh, why did I not know?
It's yellow.
Yellow. I knew it was. It is on your shirt.
Oh, I was saying it's not the main color of my shirt.
Oh.
Sorry. I threw you off. Would you have guessed that if I hadn't given that clue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you choose one and start with the base, because I didn't mean to throw you off.
Choose this one.
All right, so you're starting with the basketball too. All right, next question. What should it be?
What's your favorite treat?
What's your favorite treat? Oh, that's a hard one.
Is it candy?
It is candy. So what do you think my favorite treat is?
I think it's gonna be easy.
What do you think it is? I actually don't know if you know this one. What do you think it is?
Chocolate?
It is chocolate, but it's a specific, it has chocolate in it.
Oh. Chocolate chip cookies.
I almost put chocolate chip cookies, but I put Butterfingers.
Oh.
I love Butterfingers.
Oh.
All right, so now I need to guess yours. Sour Patch Kids.
No.
No, what is it?
Wait. Oh, I didn't think of that.
You didn't think of that because you love getting those. What'd you put down?
I put down gummy bears.
Gummy bears. Oh, that's a good one too. I should have guessed that. So we both have to take the football because we both got it wrong. That's going to make it a lot harder to stack.
Oh no.
So far so good, but next time is going to be hard. All right, next question.
What is your favorite animal?
Your favorite animal? Ooh, that's a good one.
I'm gonna go for my second because you probably already know.
No, you have to put your favorite one. You can't put your second one to throw me off.
Nah.
You changing your answer?
That's actually right. Okay.
All right, so I go first. I'm gonna say raccoons.
Did you see my favorite?
No, I just know you. Is that what you put? Raccoons.
Yeah.
I got it.
Wait.
We even had a video where he was wearing his raccoon pajamas. I'll link that up here as well for you. Raccoons. What do you think mine is?
I think yours is dinosaurs.
No. That would be fun though.
Wait.
Second choice. Look around. Do you see any clues?
Okay. Is it behind us?
I already gave you a big clue to look around.
Okay, it's a bird.
Birds.
Yes.
Good job.
I get a second one.
All right, so let's see if we can do it without it toppling. Ah!
Okay.
So I've got to start over with this one. If he can get it, he could be the winner. That football makes it so much harder. Ooh. You're going in. One more try. Oh my gosh, you won anyway. Good job.
Yay.
So even with the hard, difficult one, he still won. Way to go. If you enjoyed this game, give us a big thumbs up down below. We hope you have a great time getting to know your family and friends as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.